Hey, Esma.
Bona cause
Fianga Sandy.
Esma.
Will not come, but you get very good representation there. The OC there, even the former OC, Mr. Bunduka there, so they all come for represent the security. Even we all look at security themselves that day. So I take this opportunity now for open this meeting because we not get for say the SDO they get other functions to perform, and we understand say they get for make a write up and for good tomorrow. So yeah, not be very active, not be very sensitive, and let we keep the peace. So I tell you, thank you. But before that, we all go back, we pray. Okay. All right.
I say, good morning again. Good morning. Don't say, we are there for make. And for make a day, we day Canada. Any way chieftains is wrong. Some draw must stay inside. And we draw the inside. But let people then get them peace. First we can say, okay, we now wait first. We know one halala. If we do somebody, let we take care until we massage you now. Then we come to one. Because chieftains say, I ever go, now arrangement paper. And the way they say it and they put somebody acting, not to forever. Me, I don't be acting paramount chief now. But when they think kind of money, me and my say you don't do so now. Now come on, they bring the paramount chief. Now they can't tell you can't forgive me today. All which don't pass, let's say what okay down they go down. Then I can. Now new page you don't turn. What can do? And which make you do this? We say we not the police. Where I can am a village and I even turn up for bring me bengere. Me and the good people that don't talk. But I see they take him from a couple no more bengere cup. He will see person they panta back in the camp. What he happen? He say 30 days. This they connect. Then they know they tell well for this chiefdom. You know this so good picture. And we say we there now, the president of this nation. He say one quietness. We get only one enemy now who they fight. Then are the coronavirus. Then are the only enemy in Asalo who they fight. If not, so it be, even anemia, even can do now one enemy will be fight. Then are the coronavirus. We know one let person go to map and come to truth. And no one will go to map and begin for sports. When I did take cutlass. But with it, chief business now quietness better. So they are today. We tell the power, but we take it, let's do. Then duty it they do. Now we say big, I will say Pakania will. And then in government don't put pan tap all chieftaincy business. So any way song they pass it with. We say Pakania, then give it sense. And the sense we give the advice we will get that for now, Nakono can do Lord get caretaker. Lord get somebody where they bring peace. Well, the bar, we go name the person. We go name the person, and the person, the power is not come out from the mind one. The power is not come out from the authority one. The power comes from the Chiefdom Council, who are called Chiefdom Committee. Because now the committee will recognized by government now for chieftaincy business, for arrange business, for make such a peace camp. Then make we here today. So the advice who don't get from outside, power the duty where you been given, to get the paramount chief, when you know they are today, you don't go for some other BB exercise, where you know you bukaya. But it dedicate responsibility to we say, the Mawe will be put there for bring peace na this township, will present her to the power, let pass her on to the people. So if we're there today, after the paramount chief and the Chiefdom Council don't sit down, we don't discuss the whole Nimiama with people then a scale. With the people in a scale, we weigh you, people in a scale, we weigh you. The first way we pick up na the scale for say a way to bring peace between them two families that are coming there. Not to know what the person here today. Now, Chief Ngambai. So, Mr. SBO, sir, with the entourage, the security apparatus, the duty we give it on behalf of the paramount chief, we now hand over the chief to you, sir, for your recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chief. We come with the morning. I think I'm in Kanaya sometime last week. No, this is a part of work. A lot of people say peace day na Chiefdom. Peace day na this village within a Chiefdom. And now we work again for doing our chief. We're going to democratic process. Follow the act and give our chief with the rule now. One of the things where we may responsibility where we charge it. Now for only give chief to community where the community they elect and one where they get the right background to become authorities at that place. And all man at the place you only mostly endorse and say, now this we want. So even if we delegate that responsibility to the chief there, the authority there, and that would tell them say we do and so. But if for any reason along the line, somebody feel dissatisfied and right to we, now we do it again for investigate. For ya, a very short. Make I tell you say now the Honorable Minister of Local Government been giving the right thing. Say make I make sure say now we put somebody to take care of this children. The way situation normalize, we can't go into elections and get chief naya. Or do anything to see the whole get chief naya will better. We go to naya. We know say we all na one family naya. Anyway, we don't gap up and they don't hold we are related one way or the other. They just left with arrangement. They make una get somebody fitting and take care of. But I don't charge that to the children don't assure me say all them things will be happen na be overlaps. Because I even charge the second chief. I say now you say the kaya. Now you don't solve them problem the second chief. Now you may work land they will put you. You for help the paramount chief and the speaker. Now you for try for solve settle village issues. When you come to one second chief there, the paramount chief and speaker self carry side. But village under you now you for solve them. Then the village chief self then quarter heads there. That's who they call for Kumasa, they call Patayen, they man the fire, head. Now the village chief, now you for organizer, now you for make sure they peace. But every now and then, we can do very small, but we get an office. Well, I said, how they go to police? Now so they go to me office and they make report. And this you don't go train and minister and table. Says you, what they have for you? So we can do no say there's touching over leadership, election business. They say report the count every now and then. So I've been go to them. But before I've been go to the chief there, I've been come to Naya, enter Naya. I ask for consent. You make a little more say, would I want for let it be leader Naya? Would that be show at random? I get back to the authorities. But they actually tell me say they get wisdom. They give me instances. They say as you any one person you appointed second can do now for be the leader day. They say you go this side. Why? They say you say can attest to that. Now election don't declare na can do. And you don't say na election for happen day. So if anybody they base if you say anyone for that candidate no go meet her, a lot of people say they by my side, or you know we don't do a good dance, or you know we don't get a picky for marriage, no we don't intermarry. I say, oh, the chiefs are very wise. This is not a point of view. But who that will okay when can do? We're going to rule it democratically. I will actually get on my back on my mind that even in Palmer chieftaincy, when Palmer chief die, when they declare they vacant, we don't see them. It happen. If all men want a leadership day, government can take policy from different chiefdom. But we get where they share boundary with that particular district, get the same culture, a brand can for as a civilian chief. I say, but the danger where I go free, the person owner go give me. Because can people go approve them and not go take side and not go listen to anybody and do the wrong thing. They say no. They say the person will give you, we don't see background. A neutral one, that from different village a day, that from different section it come out. And for that reason, it will be a neutral person. I say, well, that is the case, then me say we can advise her so that we will get peace. But when I see that when I get the assignment for solve the leadership that can do, now give me positive result. So all fed done. We don't arrange can do leadership. We don't learn to rest. And with the people that were involved, they accept them. They say yes, as you now we've been there, but now with the point with 20 they don't bring count the position we don't get, we are satisfied. Those who don't between we. I say if we do that they fine. If we don't do that they take normalize. Perhaps at the first one like we for saying let's go solve problem, let's go do A, B, and C. So they consult, and give me the policy. They say the policy is neutral. As my lawyer from chief, they just go into this I don't know. So I don't see her. So I ask my back. How wanna see the leader who want for can give na can do. Una all approve her, na power credible. Yes. So almost Sabia not to show. Yes, sir. My colleague was not so. Sabia. I like that. Chief, when I go to determine now, we are not determined with my wisdom. Let them self-endorse her. Because they can't govern. Where they govern policy, you can't for like you, self like you. Because I see the past, see maturity now. I see and say, you're going to do this work. So if we don't endorse and say, we don't want as a leader, me go advise her. Now the chief of committee meet, they look for somebody, they present her to me as government for can't give or don't endorse her. But the advisor that they work where they can't work here, if we do the correct thing, you know, for take side. When I get election business now, if we treat everybody as a subject for the very moment, because me even me as your officer, me they are still, and they listen to in the chief. No one day in my office, once you go and complain, say, that chief don't care, don't begin to take side. I go call her, or I go investigate her. If I don't say that so, we go pull and they will bring other person here. But if you want to show, you will go like Panam, I will punish you for undermine my policy. So now if we don't take them, we don't bring a count to una. They assure me say they pull from different village, different sections. And you handle them for una chieftaincy because not of this section a day. So neutral. So that is the reason why we come with the police, the official, because we serve, we stress. The other time we can't get a very big meeting. They be endorse one per 90% of the children. What is per? Power by. Yes, sir. They say in a tribal head, I know to show. One of the reasons why I be taking them to the chief then, because they're not the common, not a common. But I tell me say, once you come on, not a self, not take us to a person here. Because game the yeah.
That don't indicate place. We're there for something. And after bring peace. This township within Nagayako, the township of Konokandu, will all be aware few months ago waiting to happen. We're not going to go into all the details again. But one thing we know of, we say two people they may stand for position, and after declaration, one person succeed or other person not succeed. But not to that not the problem. Now the violence we been done they take place, where they attract police, where they attract the children. Till today, up to this moment, we're not able to get a clue as to how we will bring peace for Nokando. But now we see big people there, like the SDO, unfortunately, due to some circumstances beyond our paramount chief in control, instead a absent. But we get the number one person at the district, when at the SDO, we all done retire today for the same purpose, you see. But it not been get chance for execute the operative in Camphor. So it defined to yesterday. But yesterday again, something crop up, we make an able to see. But here we did today, this town. After that today, they have go quiet. Because the mechanism what they put in place, we don't run several other places. You see, we involve big man like the number one person at the district. More town like this.
In our born, we the youth, now we don't say any sufferness happen now, we go for suffer. Then we pray that less sufferness come happen here. Then we pray anybody mean good for Konokandu, let God give a long life. But you ain't not mean good for Konokandu, you dey with yourself. You understand? So with this, I still talk to the youth of Konokandu. This now the SDO, then they in charge of all administration, local, na Kono district. And come here for come make sure say you are settled. And with the youth, let nobody know go meet in a corner. Go give you warm, go give you uti, push, say come, go and go Sunday. You understand? You know go sound well. Because any first car, then part of no one. You understand? But we can't buy anything. Now we get for doing. So let peace go there Konokandu. We happy. We glad that for we time for come make it happen. Yeah? Give it time. Everybody can go safe. So now this I will say.
From that time, where report me to the SDO, he go direct. You know, waste no time na Kwedu. He go direct na Njama Sofe. You see the section chief. You see the town chief. All students together. Now they come out kind of we come, he go na need the one. Not to so. So we meet Naya, and Allah be done there. Put word for say the all should let them know what they do. Up to now, no halala no day. Not to say yes. Because of Kaya today, that is too much. Everybody to the other say, let peace happen for we. Who record the
My decision. At the same time, I represent my very self as the OC commanding Southern Police Station in Yamasedo. As another area from the power we get Kono district, because now the first gen commanding for Kono district, and I read from this man. This song, I'm not too happy for the song. Somebody will say why. That will not come on a lot, not to do. And the house the word is here. You're not fine. You're not pay no. This time around, before I did make the threat, and I try to put somebody now, we will bring development at this place. Then, number two, we know say according to the Imam, this country they run and it affects a very sick. We will not see when I did corona. Corona and sickness, in fact, it passed this Ebola, Ebola, it passed another show. Now, a lot of people they don't die out of this particular sickness. This country will depend on who is man for many years. But the thing that they don't start. It's like water side we fire for more days. Because how you get water now for count hot to fire away then at the top. So please, you know they get donors again. Because the country they run a very difficult time.
and he know this. So if we didn't there, we corner them. It's really pepper pieces. It will create problem for us. So, as your advice to now, now we fight this corona and stop for first reset. Now we hold this as one family. The party they will come put now as the caretaker chief.
Palaba there, Mrs. Really said. One, if you palaba there, good eat all the kaya. Good, not tell the kaya when a good thing. Always it will be palaba. May God make palaba way there. May God call them for me. The people that meet, anything I tell you, I do for them. But for their own interest, I do work. I know they work with me your interest. Now with their interest, I do work with. But they say that Gabra talk, and talk this way I get from people there. Now for the at work, I can't work. Then put me and I can make peace between them. If they listen to me, the father said they will ready. Thank you.
Gambai, we know the Chican now. We don't shake hands like meetings. But we know the Corona bylaw. Let it not hold me. So we would lay hand our chest. Me and you, that